Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. So welcome to my channel. So, August, Stampin' Up! Is putting all of their kits on sale for 30% off. It is like, wow. So I have had two kits sitting on my shelf over here, my stamp room, and I got them out and I am doing videos on them, and I'm even going to share them with you all. So altogether there are 4 giveaways. One card in the supplies, even the supplies for alternatives that I'm doing. So you know, please stay tuned, watch, and these are a little bit longer of videos, but that's because I'm doing them all together, I'm doing one for each card project. So this is video number 2 for the Guys Card Kit. Here it is. So we just did video number 1. I had done the original, and I can show you, and then I did 3 alternatives. So let's find the original. This is the original. I had this off center, so I had to add a few things there. So that's the original. Then we did, what did we do? The Mossy Meadow, which is one of the colors in the kit. We just added it behind there. That's in the envelope. Alternative number 2 is we cut this piece apart, added a little spacing piece in there, and extended it so it was a little bigger. You can see that. This was alternative number 4. We added early espresso. It wasn't one of the color kits, but it does coordinate beautifully. So that one, it will air on the 7th, and it will mail out the 14th or 15th, whatever day is closest. If it's a weekend, it'll go out the following Monday, but I will draw a name and post that in the mail. So let's get on with this one. But we are having a new catalog, mini catalog, holiday catalog, come on out. So I have some extra pokey tools. These did cost me $6 plus shipping and handling each. I have 10 of them left over from my event. I am giving these away, but to receive one, you must order from me from the Stampin' Up! Online store for $50. I will automatically be notified when somebody orders from me. It will have your address on there, and I will pop one in the mail to you at my cost. You don't have to do anything. My cost for the tool and my cost for shipping. Just a little way to say thank you. So I'm going to set those aside, and let's get on with this card kit. Here is yours. Let's show you what comes in it. I have an envelope already with my address on it. So let's see, you get the envelope, the card base, this mountain piece, that's supposed to be water, I believe, the tree line, this piece, and that piece. So that is all going in here, and then we will add, as we do alternatives, we will add to this. But I'm tucking it this way. I will add the extras right there. Let's put this in our envelope, and let's get on with the crafting. We're going to do one. Now, this one says Happy Father's Day. I cannot stamp anything for you. Sorry, I can't do that. But I am sure you all have something you can put on these. So I have chosen for these cards, I am not doing Father's Days. I'm using Happy, Birthday, Anniversary, and I Love You. Or I can change it up at any times. But I already have those on here. We need the Stamp and Pierce mat, which is here. And we're going to start out with using the Mossy Meadow like it comes in, but I have a good feeling I'm going to switch it up to the early espresso. So what I need to do before I do anything is do a little smushy here. Smush, mush, mush, mush. Just if there's any little like film or anything on there, doing this kind of helps get it off, and you do get a better inked image, believe it or not. I was skeptical myself, but tried it. It works. So smush, mush, mush it around. Let's pop this over and let's get out our supplies. So right now I'm going to look for the little white piece here and this piece here to stamp, because we're going to do one just like this, except it won't say Father's Day. We're going to do happy. We'll make this let's do anniversary. So the first thing I'm going to do is stamp anniversary. Have to get up out of my chair, which is just okay. Anniversary right there. That is really cool. Oh, I don't have the little rays. I put those back. Let's grab those out of there. Kind of like those. Oh, no, I was going to do happy anniversary. I love you. So we're going to do happy. Let's see if this will fit here. So you could, we're going to do one basically how they did it, and then I can do my own thing. So happy, I know, is going to go there. I'm putting this here like so, getting my happy. I don't have to move it because it's, woo, yes. And then there's one that says, I love you. My daughter brought me a little frog. It no longer says I love you, but it was from Build-A-Bear, and I love frogs. And you squeezed its little arm, and it says, I love you. When she came home from Texas after she, I say ran off, but she didn't. After she graduated from high school, she went to Texas. Worried me sick. I was like, did not like her being that far away. But what mother would, you know? I just can't imagine what my mother went through when I joined the service and they sent me all the way to Georgia. First, they sent me to Florida. I know why the military does things like that. I do understand. But at first, I had no clue. There was this little tiny base where I lived in Corona, California. I mean, if you blinked for just a quarter of a second, you'd miss it. And I thought, surely that's where they're going to send me. I mean, I'm from Corona. Why would they send me somewhere else? Oh, was I so naive. So we're looking to recreate this. And so this looks about there, where these are just going to be layered up in here. And this one, I'm just getting an idea for how they're going to work. That's quite a bit, but I think that's, I mean, I think they did it, actually, did they do it closer like that? Yeah, they really did, but they have that showing. So I'm not going to do mine exactly that close. So let's get this one glued down first. There we go. I want it about right there to start out with. And it goes edge to edge, which is great. So this one is next. I am going to put these two here so I can tell where I want this piece. I don't know if anybody else does this, but this is how I like to do things. So I'm going to pop this up because I want it to be more, get a little bit more depth in there. So next I'm going to add this piece, the little trees. No dimensionals on these. This one is going to come down a bit more. Yeah, because we want the tree line to be, I wonder if we went just like that. Yep, that's how we're going to do it. We're going to glue these two together. So I'm going to put glue on my trees because I don't want any of those getting ripped off or something by putting it in the envelope. Alright, so I know these two are coming down together like so. And then I'm going to add, make sure I have glue there and add that. Now I'm going to pop this up like this just so I get the bottom straight. It's kind of how I like to do it. There. I can tell you, there's so many ideas going through here. So we're going to pop this. I know they got it So we're going to glue this one, first of all, to this one. Then that's just going to go down in there. And this is going to stick it. Nope, I do want it in the center. Okay, just like they did. I can always change up the next one. That's what we're doing anyway. So there we have it. Except we did, instead of Happy Father's Day, we did Happy Anniversary, I Love You. Great card. Love it. Let's move on to the next alternative. Now this one, I'm going to set that aside. You guys can look at that sample. And what are we going to do on this one? I don't want to do an anniversary. We're going to do a happy birthday. So we want this one, and we'll still use the I love you. I'm going to stand up and get these stamped. And we're going to continue with the Mossy Meadow for this one, and then we're going to switch out for the last two. I want to do birthday. Ooh, you could do, they have great, look at this, you could do happy birthday, dad, brother, uncle, grandpa, friend, grandson. Oh, happy birthday, friend. That would be cute. Let's do that. Let's do that. I wonder if this one would fit on this wee little block. I'm going to have to do the smushy, smushy thing again. Let's peel that back a minute. Smushy, smushy, smushy. Oh, and we bent our friend up. We don't want to do that. So we're going to do happy and then birthday and friend. So happy is here. Oh, I was thinking we are going to do it this way. Yes, just a little different, okay? Don't freak out over it. It's no big deal. That's why I'm doing alternative, showing you different ideas to use this kit. But I would like it to be actually straight. So happy. And friend right there. Yes. We're not done with this. I don't think so. I think this is too much fun. So I'm going to add me some glue here. All right. So what do I want to do a bit different? Okie dokie. Well, since this is number one, I just cannot do, like, I just got to do something else. Okay, we are going to do it this way, but I do want to add a little something. I want to stamp on something. I want to stamp. I just want to play. Okay. Yes, I know I'm nuts. Let's add a little bit of speckles. And you guys know there's lots of choices. So we're going to add some of this to the trees just because we can. Just because you can. And let's see. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And I'm thinking we need to add... Where's my itty bitty backgrounds? Now you guys know that you have choices. Layering leaves, color and contour, perched in a tree, all have little dots you can use. I'm going to grab the crumb cake. Or is it the gray granite? No, we're going to skip. We're going to do gray granite because that's what this color is. So I'm going to leave.
One day, someone's going to come into your life who can't get enough of you. Someone who wakes up every day just excited.